Where's this from? Jesse.
My butterfly. Is it my butterfly? Open, Daddy, open.
Okay, let me try to open it.
Good. What's inside? What's inside? Oh, it's for my grandma.
It's for your grandma.
It's mine.
It's going to be for Jesse and you.
No. That's all cool. We didn't love it. It's my spot. Is that my butterfly? We're going to swim.
See, hold on. Jesse.
It's a flight coat.
Jesse.
My fishing. It's my fishing bag. And my bag.
Let's see.
I will open those.
Hold on.
Mommy,
These are for Jesse's for his birthday coming up.
it's my birthday.
No. This one's for you.
It's mine. Thank you.
You tell Grandma thank you and the
That's for
tell Grandma thank you.
thank you. I open it.
Okay. Thank you.
It's for me.
That is for you.
Can I have that, Jesse? Okay.
It's a mermaid.
Is you sure that's a mermaid?
Yeah, be careful.
You need help? You got it?
Mermaid. It's a mermaid.
You sure? Okay, thank you.
Sea mermaid. Sea mermaid.
Oh,
Yeah, it is.
You were right.
He's a mermaid.
What do you look at the camera and tell? What do you tell Grandma? Huh?
Thank you. He lost her crown.
She lost it. She didn't have a crown.
Her mommy gets what she become mermaid.
Where's the big mermaid so they can be friends?